Who builds the smartest luxury land yacht in America? In 2025, the three-row SUV is still the suburban sledgehammer of choice, spacious, stylish, and smarter than ever. But not all are created equal.
Let's start with the one that thinks it's a luxury private jet.
The 2025 Lincoln Navigator remains peak Americana, 30-way massaging seats, adaptive air suspension, and enough sound insulation to qualify as a recording booth.
But what sets it apart this year?
Lincoln's new Auto Repose mode reclines all three rows at once, ideal for mobile meetings or spontaneous tailgate naps. The tech suite is run by Sync 5 with Google built-in and ChatGPT assistant integrated.
Yes, it literally talks back with better manners than your kids.
Under the hood, the twin-turbo V6 delivers 440 horsepower through a 10-speed auto transmission. It tows up to 8,700 pounds and has one of the best adaptive suspension calibrations in the segment.
Next up, something German, serious, and over-engineered to a fault.
Now say hello to the BMW X7 xDrive 60i. This thing thinks torque is a lifestyle. 523 horsepower, all-wheel drive, rear-wheel steering, and a panoramic curved display that wraps around you like a tech cocoon.
So think 7 Series, but with attitude.
The X7's optional executive lounge packet adds ventilated second row, captain's chairs, and built-in footrests, plus Bauer & Wilkins surround sound and a theatre-grade rear screen.
So yes, your kids or dogs, in my case, can now watch movies with better sound than you have.
Tech-wise, BMW's iDrive 8.5 is intuitive, fast, and smarter than ever, though still no physical climate knobs, if you miss those sort of things.
So, do you need more presents? Well, let's head to Stuttgart.
The Mercedes-Benz GLS 580 trades in Flash for finesse, a 510 horsepower mild hybrid, adaptive dampers, and one of the plushest cabins this side of Maybach.
Speaking of which...
Yes, there's a Maybach GLS if you're willing to trade a mortgage for it. But the standard GLS already gives you Bauermeister audio, hot stone massage seats, and active parking assist that actually works.
The tech is good, but the UX, it's a little bit German.
MBUX can do nearly everything, but only if you speak fluent menu. Gesture controls remain a novelty, but voice prompts have improved for 2025.
So let's throw a curveball. This next one is Japanese, but it's not Lexus.
The 2025 Infiniti QX80 is all new, finally. Built on a fresh platform with a twin-turbo V6, this thing ditches its truck DNA for a smoother, smarter drive.
Think Navigator features, but without the cowboy hat.
Interior highlights include a massive 24-inch curved display, zero-gravity seats, and biometrics that adjust cabin settings based on who's driving.
You walk in, it remembers your seat, your music, and your favorite scent diffuser settings.
The QX80's ProPilot Assist 2.0 adds hands-free highway cruising with automatic lane changes, a leap for Infiniti, though the ride still leans firm at low speeds.
Still not niche enough? Well, let's go Scandinavian.
The Volvo EX90, technically electric, brings Swedish restraint to the luxury party. It's a three-row EV with 496 horsepower, LiDAR for hands-off driving, and Google Automotive OS baked in.
Quiet, clean, quicker than it looks.
With a range of around 300 miles and bi-directional charging on board, it's the only one here that can power your house in a blackout. Just don't expect towing miracles.
So, which one has the best features?
Depends. For tech and space, Navigator. For performance, X7. For refinement, GLS. For innovation, EX90. And for the surprise factor, QX80's got momentum.
Most improved, that goes to Infiniti.
The QX80 made a 15-year leap in one model year. It still has work to do on cabin materials and ride tuning, but it's no longer an afterthought.
Still king of the American road, you're looking at it.
The Lincoln Navigator combines usability, power, and a frankly misunderstood tech interface. It's not perfect, but it's perfectly confident in its mission.
Big, bold, and unapologetically plush.
And let's be honest, if you're hauling 6 people and a trailer to a national park, there's something reassuring about doing it in a rolling living room with adaptive cruise control and a seat that massages your tailbone.
These aren't just family haulers anymore.
They're mobile boardrooms, weekend escape pods, and tech showcases on wheels. In 2025, luxury means never having to compromise on size or smarts.
And you're still cross-shopping minivans?
Might be time to upgrade your expectations.
Getting one of the best massages I've ever had. In San Diego, I'm Nick Miles.